Welcome to Ballahack Estates, where luxury meets the countryside in beautiful Chesapeake, Virginia, with spacious 3-acre home sites giving you all the room you need for privacy and peace. This new development is perfect for families who want a tranquil setting but still need access to top-notch schools. Behind this stunning community is the award-winning builder, Keith Cash. Known for his incredible craftsmanship and attention to detail, Keith Cash has brought his A-game to every home here.
The first phase is 5 building lots, average about 3 acres in size. We have walking trails and conservation area. And the next phase is going to be 4 lots.
Expansive home floor plans, a gourmet kitchen with the finest appliances, and large windows that flood your home with natural light.
When we come out here and somebody wants to build, so they're not just picking some cookie cutter house, they actually get to, if they want to, they can pick from the plans that you have, or they can bring their own custom plans if they want to and build something, correct?
Yes, that is correct. I have a couple hundred plans on file, or they can bring the plans that they have, or I have a designer on staff that we can design something totally custom to meet their needs.
Whether you're hosting a gathering or simply soaking in the beauty of your surroundings, these homes are designed to make every moment special. Ballahack Estates is the ultimate choice for a sophisticated country lifestyle in Chesapeake.
You can give Betsy a call. She's with the agency, and she will be able to help you or your agent if you have an agent already. And then what we'll do is we'll set up an appointment with Keith.
Yeah, so I'll sit down and develop a relationship. I have many people I've built several houses for. And so, it's a building a house, building a friendship, and building a relationship.